Who would have thought that a pre-election payment to a certain Stormy Daniels would create such a storm, years after the fact? The ironies of life. Today, we dive into the unfolding saga of the hush money trial that's been keeping the former president of the United States, Donald Trump, on his toes. Our story begins in March of 2023. A Manhattan grand jury was considering an indictment against Trump for a pre-election payment made to Stormy Daniels. This situation bore a striking resemblance to the John Edwards case, where the former senator was acquitted of campaign finance violations. The defense for Trump, not surprisingly, argued that the payment aimed to protect his family, not deceive voters. The crux of the case? Whether the payment was intended to keep the matter under wraps from the public. Fast forward to April of the same year. Lawyers for Trump requested a 1-month delay for the start of a sexual assault and defamation trial. Their reasoning? A need for a cooling-off period following his indictment for falsifying business records related to hush money payments. E. Jean Carroll, the plaintiff who accused Trump of raping her in the 90s, opposed the delay. She was confident that a fair jury could still be impaneled in New York City. Now you may be wondering, why is this case seen as risky? Manhattan prosecutors brought felony charges against Trump for allegedly falsifying business records to hide hush money payments related to the 2016 campaign. To prove these charges, the prosecutors need to establish intent to conceal or further another crime. The case's complexity suggests it may face years of litigation and could even reach the Supreme Court. Fast forward to today, where the hush money trial is more heated than an episode of Survivor. The jury selection process was more dramatic than the final rose ceremony on The Bachelor, with 6 straight-faced jurors finally making the cut. First round of applause for them for braving through the fiery exchanges over Facebook posts, which were more intense than a teenage keyboard war. The judge, playing the cool school principal, had to step in and give Trump a stern warning not to intimidate them. This jury, a mixed bag of professionals, all claim to be as impartial as a coin toss. The whole shebang revolves around the intent behind a pre-election payment to Stormy Daniels and some creative bookkeeping. Trump's defense argues the payment was akin to buying a fancy lock for his family's privacy, not to pull a fast one on voters. While this circus unfolds, Trump finds himself in more hot water, with Georgia and federal investigations circling him like eager autograph hunters. With the first jurors now seated comfortably, or as comfortably as you can be in such a trial, the whole saga is anticipated to go on for a good 8 weeks. A reality show of law, politics, and personal vendettas, with a former president as the star attraction. As the trial rolls on, the world is watching, popcorn in hand, waiting for the season finale. Will Trump weather yet another storm and keep his crown, or will this mark the season end of a once untouchable character? Grab your remote, folks, because only time will unveil this plot twist. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to ensure your front row seat when the next juicy episode drops.